You like my outfit? Yes, it's springtime. I'm feeling flowery. It is your girl, Miss Chance. I hope everybody is doing okay. So I don't know if you heard this Lead the Way Mariah Carey challenge that was set off by an Instagram account called They Have the Range. Well, I attempted it. Here's the video. So today we're gonna attempt to break down this run. So let's get into it. Hey, lead the way. Listen, before I start, you know what I'm gonna ask you to do. Hit share, subscribe, like, let your girl know. Any other songs you want me to break down, put it in the comments below, or just talk to me. Just say hi. Like, I like to talk to you guys. So I'm not gonna play the whole song because, you know, copyright infringement, and I don't wanna get in trouble off YouTube. So I sang the run for you. Now, the way I was able to get this run was I broke it down into 4 sections. Well, 5. So the first section is the let it take. Then let it take. I'll start it down here. And let it take for the men. Now she does it with a little bit of style. And let it take, and let it take. Part number 2 of the run is I call it the over. So the note goes, over. How many notes did I sing? Over. 6 notes on that run. So let's count that together. Over. Now, if that's too high for you, then sing it down here. Over. And 1. Over. By yourself. Then you speed it up. A little faster. Over, 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 over. We'll get into the more technical aspect of it, but all that really is just a descending pentatonic scale. But anyways, that's gonna be on the Vocalfy site. But yeah, just break that down. So we have the first part was, and let it take. So let's put those 2 together. And let it take the do that again. And let it take over. Over. Let's move on. Okay, and the next section is the whoa, which goes like this. Whoa. How many notes? Whoa. This section is 5, so keep that in your mind. Try that. Good. A little faster. Whoa. Again. Whoa. Draw those notes. Where are they going? Whoa. Okay. A little faster. Whoa. One more time. Whoa. Good. And also keep in mind, if you don't get this perfect, don't beat yourself up. It's all about making sure that you find your way back home.
There's no place like home.
Home is A flat in this particular song. So remember we spoke about, I didn't talk about that yet because that's the next episode. There's something called a tonal center of a song. So once you can realize or figure out what the tonal center of your music is, no matter where you deviate or no matter where you go in your run, if you can always try to make your way back home and make your way back to that tonal center, the run will always most likely sound right. Now let's put the over and the whoa together. So over is over, whoa, whoa. That's it, okay? One more time. Over, Now, let's do it with no pause in between, one straight line all the way down. So it goes like this. So 6 and 5. You saw what I did? One more time. A little faster. Again. Male voice. Again. Okay, we're more than halfway there. Let's continue. The next section is the woo. Not Pop Smoke, but the woo. Now, this section is a little tricky, so I've got to pay attention. Okay, the notes are right next door to each other, but it can be tricky to pick up. So it starts from that A, that home note. Whoa. Do that with me. And whoa. One more time. Whoa. Male voice. Whoa. Again. Whoa. Now a little faster. Whoa. Again. Whoa. A little faster. Whoa. 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 Make sure you get those notes. So everything together. Oh, let's do that again. Again. Then the last section is that's the last part of the run. That's basically it. Now let's listen to the whole melody on the piano. I messed it up there, sorry, at the end. So the end is okay. I hope that kind of helps. Now together again. Oh, whoa, whoa. Again. Oh, whoa, whoa. That is the run. Oh, whoa, whoa. Again. Helps a little bit. I mean, again, all of this is repetition and practice. I just broke it down just a little bit slower for you so you can catch the individual notes. But at the end of the day, you want to get this run. You got to sit there, listen, break it down, practice, listen. Don't get discouraged. Keep at it and you will eventually get it. Like I told you, I am not a runner. I have a friend that is amazing at running. I'm not that. But what I can do, or what I am starting to do, is really pay attention, listen to every note, and try to break down the melodies into digestible pieces so that it's easier for me. I hope that helps. And again, if you like what you just saw, do me a favor, hit share, subscribe, like, leave in the comments below what songs you want me to break down next. What subject matter do you want? Okay, because I'm kind of running out of ideas. Anyways, I'm just joking. But whatever you want me to talk about, I will. I know some people are requesting whistle tone. I don't know how to do that yet. When I figure it out, I will let you know. So stay tuned for that. It's been your girl, Miss Chance, again from Vocalfy. Bye. Have a great day.